Okay, let's see. For dinner, I'll make hamburgers. Aha, the buns are right here. Okay, I have the buns, I have the zucchini, the onions. Well, I don't see why I need zucchini, but oh well. Hey, what's going on with the lights? Okay. I need to get back to wait a minute, there was 5 zucchini. Where'd the other one go? What is that noise? What's going on? Give me those. Ugh. They're my onions. Okay, no, just panic, don't panic, don't panic. I'll be cool. Oh, the lights! The lights, where's the bread? Stop! Let go of the bread, you fresh thing! Let go! Let go! Let go! Oh. I'm fighting with a ghost. I'm fighting with a ghost. I'm fighting with a ghost. Ah! You took my zucchini! Oh! No, give it back! Give it back! Give it back! Give it. Oh! Oh! I need that for dinner. I need it for dinner. Give it to me. Oh! Give it. Oh! Oh! You must understand. I have a family to feed. Oh! You cannot do this to me. You foolish grocery peasant. Wait! No! Don't take that away! He's gone. He's gone. What am I gonna do? Now I have no groceries or food. Dinner. Where is he? Where am I? Oh wait, I'm outside my house. Okay. What is that noise? What